Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Shweta, and today I will again show you very interesting and very amazing game which we are going to make on Scratch platform again. And as you all know that Scratch platform is very famous, and I have already told you about this Scratch platform earlier in my first video. And today we are going to make another game on Scratch, and I have uploaded a video also that how to open Scratch and how to upload an image on Scratch. I have also made a video of that also. So you can go to my channel and you can search for the same. So now you can go and you can open Scratch on this URL code scratch.med.education. You can go and search here on the top, and then you can go and bookmark it from here. So it will be saved like this here as I have saved. But I have opened it earlier also. See. So here's our scratches, and I have earlier uploaded this image on my stage. If you want to see that how I uploaded, and if you don't know how I uploaded, so you can go and I have uploaded this how to upload an image on Scratch. So you can go and search for that on my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to search the sprites. So I am going to choose this beer, and I'm going to choose food item, in which I'm going to choose apple. So I will change this apple size to 60. I will change this apple size to 50, and its size to 35. So this is its size, and now I will drag it and set it where it should be here, and also this, and I will also drag and settle down this apple also at the bottom at here. Okay. So here it is. Here our sprite has been placed to the right place where it should be. Now let's start coding. Now let's start code our sprite. So first click on this beer once, and we will code this beer. Just go to events one, and as I shown you in my first video where I made this immune monkey game, there also I showed you that how you can easily go and how you can easily make our sprite move here and there using the keys. I have used that code, and whatever code I have used there, I'm using the same code here also. So you can, if you don't if you forgot to watch it and if you missed that video, you can go to my channel and you can search the tab there, videos, and from there you can watch my that video. It's, you will not find that in the content, you will find that in the video. So you can go and search for videos on my channel, then you will get it. So at the first two, at the first top two, these two, I will put change y by, and at the bottom two, I will put here change x by, change x by. I will put here. So change x by, I will put at the bottom two. So I have used here when space key pressed 4 times, move 10 steps 4 times, change y by 2 times, and change x by 2 times. So let's rename them. So the space key I will rename of the first as up arrow, the second as down arrow, and the third as right arrow, and the fourth as left arrow. Then this one as 10 only, and this one is, and I will name the up arrow and the right arrow as 10 only, as well as they are. And I will name and the left arrow I will name it as uh, change x by and change y by. I will name it as minus 10 and minus 10. So I will name this minus 10 and here too minus 10. Minus 10. So here they are. Now I will go to this apple and then I will again go to this event. From here I will drag when flag clicked, and from there after I will drag here this forever. Then in forever I will go and put this if then, and then I will go to here variables. In variable I will go and click to the make variable. In my first video also I have told you that how to make a variable. So if you don't know that how to make a variable, so you can go and check for that video and you can make a variable there. So here variable score is here, and now I will drag change my variable from here, and I will rename it as score, and in place of 1 I will write it as 5. Then I will go to sensing. In sensing I will drag touching mouse pointer, put it inside the if then I will change it as beer. I will now change it as beer, and now I will do one thing. I will go to sounds now. In sounds, here at this sound I will go just side. Then I will go and here I will choose for choose sound, and here I will go and I will write here pop, and here you can find squish pop. Listen to the sound. So like this it will be come. So let it be louder. Yes, louder, more louder, more louder, more louder. Yes, softer. So this is what we want. Then I will go and I will drag the start sound and I will just put it here. So what will happen is when the beer will touch to this apple, so what thing will happen? A squish pop sound will come, right? This sound will come, okay? So I want to show you that only. Let it stop. Now I'm going to drag this and put it here. Now I will again go to this events, and from here I will again drag this when flag clicked and put it one side. Any side you can put it. Then I will drag it a little back here. And now I will go to control. And from control now I will drag forever again, and I will put it inside. And again I will drag here. If then I will put it inside. And now I will again go to sensing, and from sensing I will drag here touching mouse pointer. Then I will make this touching mouse pointer as touching edge. So from this edge what I will do is I will go to the sound and I will start sound. So I will make start sound, okay? I will make start sound, and I will put it inside this if then, okay? I have to put it inside this if then. So I will take out it. This if then I will take out. Put it one where. Then this start sound squish pop inside it. So we have, so but I don't need here squish pop. I don't need here kiss pop, so I will drag it out as I don't need it. In case in place of this, I need another one. I need another sound because squish pop has been added here, so I need another sound. For that, I will again go to the sounds, and now I will choose one bad sound. Let's choose wacky. Let's see what we have in wacky. So just click. I clicked it once. Let's add here a sound. So this sound will come. It is looking more good. So now let's go to code. Then we will add this start whistle thumb and put it inside if then. So this thing will be happen. So let's see is it working or not. So let us check it is working or not. So this is what. Yes, and one thing is also there which we are missing. We will drag here set my variable to 0 and we will put it inside forever. We will put it inside. We will drag it. So we will do this code. Okay. So now let's go to beer. Now let's check is all the codes are working. This the beer is going side by side, side by side, side by side. Left, 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 left. Up there, you should move to left, right? Right up there. So it's moving down. It's moving. So something is not good here, right? Something is not good here. Something is missing here. So that's why our beer is not moving to the right place. So let us change it to 20. Let us change it to 20. So this one as 20, right? This one as 20. This was as minus 20. And this one again as 20. This one again as 20. And this one again as minus 20. So now let's check is it working or not. So for that we will make it as 5. This one also as 5. This one also as 5. This one also as 5. Now let's check it out. Now let's check. Is it really working or not? So from here we can get to know, right? So for that, up arrow. Now let's press it to the down arrow. Down, 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 down. Now right, 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 right. It's moving to right. Now let's go to left, 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 left. But one thing I think is not good. One thing is not working. What we want, it should. The sound is not coming. Okay. So it should move to right, 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 left, 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 left. And it'll up. Now go to back, 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 back. Up, up. A little down, a little down. Yeah. One more. Up little, down little. Again. Uh, so here it's all working on. Now let's check one thing. Let's check now one thing. We will press to this go. You can check here at this go. So this green flag means go. This green flag means go. So let's press to this green flag and now let's move down, down, down. Left, left, left. Back, 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 back. Back. Down, left, 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 left. Down, 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 down. Here, 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 here. So, did you all saw that a score has been increased too much? It's not stopping. It's increasing, increasing. It's increasing. It's not just waiting for a while also. So that means one thing is missing here, and that's wait 1 second is missing here. Yeah, right. Wait 1 second is missing here. So that's why it's just moving, 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 moving. It's not waiting a lot, right? So let's set a score to 0, and now let's put here wait 1 second. So where our wait 1 second is in control. So let's click to control and drag from here wait 1 second and put it. So where we have to put it is we have to put it just below here, change score by 5, and again we have to put it just below here as it is waiting. Now after the start sound whistle thumb, we have to put wait for 1 second also. Yes. Now let's check is it working or not. Let's click the flag. It is clicked. Go to down the left. Yes, it's working. It's working. So whatever we are doing, it's working. It means our game is now ready to play. Our game is now ready, so we can. Our game is now ready, and we don't need anything to do now. So rest of the things are good. So we don't need to do anything. And as in the first one, I told you that we have to put another one in the middle. Uh, so we don't need to do that thing now today. We don't need to do because I have told you a shortcut in which you don't need to put and you don't need to again and again before starting the game you have to press that. It will be automatically start when you will again press to this. Okay. So we will go here and we will write here this game's name, and this game's name is Maze with Beer. Maze with Beer is this game name. So isn't this game is fun to play Mage with Beer? It is fun, I know it. So the game is saved now. Let's go to folder and now let's check it is our game is stored or not. So that folder means my stuff. Let's go to my stuff. Yes, the game Mage with Beer has been ready. Is ready here. The game Mage with Beer is ready now. Here, it's ready. So our two games, which the first one game Immune Monkey and the next one game Mage with Beer is now ready, and we will again meet with another interesting game. We will again meet, of course, we will meet with another amazing game and an interesting game, and the topic will be the same, and but the things we are going to do is the another one, and we will again do it with the scratch platform only, as it's a very easy platform to do or to do make anything else. So don't forget to watch my video that uh, how to download an image from Chrome, and how to edit in scratch also, because if you don't know that how to do these things, so you will be not able to make this game. So please go and check for my that video, and you can also go and check for my that video on which I introduced you with the scratch platform. You can go and check for my both the videos. They are on my YouTube channel. You can go and search for them. So till my next video, so till then, Bye bye.